Meaning of grinding.
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 Grinding. The word grinding can have multiple meanings depending on the context. It can refer to the act of rubbing something against a hard surface, using a tool or machine to remove material from a surface, or working hard at a task or goal. In a social context, it can also refer to dancing in a sexually suggestive manner. Regardless of the specific meaning, the result of grinding is usually a reduction in the size or amount of material being worked on, or the achievement of a desired outcome through persistent effort.